Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today it's a beautiful Saturday, April 15th. Lovely day, 8 a.m. I got my gear. Shit, this is pink. I should have flipped it a purple color. Don't look at the pink color. And we're gonna go do some workouts. We're gonna go for a drive in the first thing, and then we are gonna go grab a coffee before everything else. So let's get it. And today I'm gonna take this beautiful, lovely white Cayenne. It's a sexy baby. Actually, I'm opening it. So let's pack a punch. Actually, now this is gonna go in the front because it's gonna be flying all over the place. Alright, it's okay. It's cool over here. Yeah, get in here, get in here. Here we go. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. And this is too. I know you guys want to hear that V8. So let's get it. Let's get it started. In a second, I'll let you guys hear this exhaust. Should I put you guys? I'm gonna put you guys inside in here. Let's go. Yeah, happening, but that'll be lovely. All right, hear this. Cold start. I think it sounds good. Oh, shit. The best men's perfume you can ever have. The name of it is GTS exhaust. Now the valve's a little bit shut down. Lovely burble. Lovely, fantastic. Be a hell of a ride. It's gonna be a hell of a ride from my side. Delicious. Delicious. Woo, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, awesome. I got this goes in here. Bring some light. Did I grab water? No, I didn't grab water, but it's okay. Destination Cafe Latte. Vamos.